Is it the right time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into TQQQ. We previously published an initial report on our website on Friday, December 1, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a buy candidate, with a score of 2.65. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 21.87% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate 21 days ago. This means an average return of 1.04% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we may see a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $45.21, it could indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 9.48% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return for investors during this period could be between -19.73% and 11.87%. On a 12-month basis, the trend suggests a significant 84.13% change over the next year. This means there is a potential return between 39.1% and 133.29%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $61.54 to $103.21 after a year. Our latest update for TQQQ reveals a stronger technical forecast for the ETF price after Friday's trading session. The TQQQ ETF price experienced a gain of 0.84% on Friday, December 1, 2023, with an increase from $43.87 to $44.24. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated by 3.53%, ranging from a low of $42.93 to a high of $44.44. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has shown a 2.57% gain, displaying a pattern of ups and downs. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 86 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $3.81 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for possible future changes over the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 6.15% or $2.90 below the 52-week high. Furthermore, it is 76.82% or $146.64 below the all-time high on January 8, 2021, when the price reached $190.88. Today, we'll analyze the signals for TQQQ, an ETF. The signals for TQQQ are currently mixed. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing the ETF to fall by -1.03%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. However, there are buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which provide a positive forecast for the stock. Moreover, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, signaling a general buy signal. In case of corrections, there is support at $44.20 and $39. If the price falls below these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Despite the prices increasing, the volume has decreased during the last trading day, creating a divergence between volume and price. This could be seen as an early warning. Therefore, it is advised to closely monitor the ETF. Today, I want to share with you some other signals that you might find interesting for your stock investments. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which indicates a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which showed a sell signal 9 days ago. On the other hand, the Bollinger signal gave a buy signal 26 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we have a buy signal 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 22 days ago. Lastly, considering the relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 18 days ago. Now, if we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average provided a buy signal 22 days ago. Additionally, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 16 days ago. Moreover, considering the relation between the short and the long moving averages, we had a buy signal 6 days ago. To explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. When it comes to support levels, there are a couple of important ones for TQQQ. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $37.35 and $35.70. These levels are crucial because if the ETF breaks below them, it may fall to the next support level. So, it's important to keep an eye on these numbers. Now, let's talk about the risk involved with this ETF. TQQQ is considered a high-risk investment due to its volatility. It can experience significant movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band predicts a large interval of uncertainty for this ETF. Looking at recent data, TQQQ had a price difference of $1.52 between its highest and lowest point in a single day. That's a 3.53% fluctuation. And over the past week, it has shown an average daily volatility of 3.06%. So, you can see why it's important to be cautious when dealing with TQQQ. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ stands at $44.40. If you're not already holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. For those who already own the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $37.35. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $42.79, which represents a decrease of 3.29%. This ETF experiences significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 8 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? We have analyzed the current market trends and indicators for TQQQ ETF and have come to a positive conclusion. There are several short-term signals that point towards a good trend, making this ETF a potential buying opportunity. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy recommendation. When looking at the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Based on our projections, we expect TQQQ to open on Monday, December 4th, with a decrease of $0.371 and start trading at $43.87. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept the responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're excited to present our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What's your target for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.